Hey, what's up, guys? So I made the top 10 of the Legendary Marketer Leaderboard for today. I wasn't even going to shoot a video today, but I did want to share this with y'all. More importantly, I wanted to make this video to explain why this is important for you to understand. All right, first, let's get a screenshot up on the screen. There it is, Brian Brewer, top 10 for today. If you want to be on the top 10 of the Legendary Marketer Leaderboard, if you want to earn the type of commissions that get you onto the leaderboard, then definitely watch this video because I am going to give you the mindset and the strategy you need if you want to be successful with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. First of all, my name is Brian Brewer. Welcome to the Becoming Legendary channel. If you are new here, I created this channel specifically to help you make more money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. So if you're interested in making money with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification. That way you get notified when I release a new video. This channel is all about giving you the tips and tricks that you need to understand to drive traffic and make more money with Legendary Marketer. You see, I've been an affiliate marketer since 2012, but I recently started promoting the Legendary Marketer Program. And what I found is this program is great for beginners, so I decided, what better way to help beginners out than to create a brand new channel devoted solely to teaching you how to make money with Legendary Marketer. Now, the reason that this is important for you is because you really have to understand the kind of mindset that you need to have going into this if you want to end up on the leaderboard. I can tell you guys, the potential of this program is real. When you get onto the leaderboard, you make real money here. But here's the deal. It takes time to build up the system. So if you want to be successful with something like the Legendary Marketer Program, you need to think about this long term. I'm not talking 10 years long term, but you can't put 2 weeks into it and then give up when you haven't made a commission in the first 2 weeks, right? You have to look at this as like a 3, 6, or 6 month process. And what you have to know, okay, you go into it understanding that if you just put the work in, a little bit of work every single day for the next 6 months, by the time you get to that 6 month mark, if you've done everything, then you will have success. Maybe a little bit of success, maybe a lot of success, but the bottom line is if you trust the system, you start with the end in mind. You understand that yes, this program is legit. Yes, people are making money. Yes, there is a proven system. And you just go out there and put in a little bit of effort every single day. Well, you're going to get close to the leaderboard. You're going to find some success. Maybe you'll be on the top of the leaderboard. Maybe you'll make your first $100 day. I don't know. But the bottom line is you have to trust the process, but you have to follow through with the process. The reason so many people do not make it to this point is because they try really hard for 2 weeks and then they give up. Or they have the greatest of intentions and then they stop. Or even worse, they don't believe, so they never get started. Guys, the system works. Look at what everybody on the leaderboard is doing. Google these names and then model their systems. Then just think, how can I change my life 6 months from now? How can I get to this time next year and be financially independent, right? That's the goal. You have to put in the effort. Guys, I've been doing this for 8 years and it still took me a couple months to get on the leaderboard. You have to have reasonable expectations and you have to put a little bit of effort in every single day. Do that and you will be successful. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want the tips and tricks that are going to help you out. Down below in the description of this video, I'm going to post some links to some other relevant videos. I'm going to show you how much I made in the first 12 days. Remember, I have 8 years of experience, so you can't really expect those same results as a beginner. Also, I'm going to show you the 2-page website that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer. Simple, straightforward, just a 2-page website and some free traffic. That's all you need to know. I break it all down in that video and I even show you how you can copy my 2-page website template. That way you can get your business going as fast as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I want to see you on the leaderboard 6 months from now. Commit to yourself. Give yourself the permission to think long term and then just put a little bit of effort in every single day and you'll get there. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye now.